A for alligator means घड़ियाल. B for bear means भालू. C for cat means बिल्ली. D for duck means बत्तख. E for elephant means हाथी. F for frog means मेंढक. J for giraffe means giraffe. H for hippopotamus means दरियाई घोड़ा. I for iguana means iguana. J for jellyfish means jellyfish. K for koala means koala. L for lion means शेर. M for monkey means बंदर. N for narwhal means narwhal. O for octopus means अष्टबाहु. P for pig means सुअर. Q for quetzal means quetzal. R for rabbit means खरगोश. S for snake means सांप. T for tiger means बाघ. U for unicorn means unicorn. W for vampire bat means vampire चमगादड़. W for whale means whale. X for X-ray fish means X-ray मछली. Y for yak means yak. Z for zebra means zebra.